A thank you letter to my special ones. This goes out to ones that have never given up on me, never walked out on me, never stopped talking to me, never stopped being my friend, never stopped standing by me even on my worst days, never stopped answering the phone when I called, never stopped responding to my text messages, and never stopped being a part of my family. I may be a little imperfect, sometimes even I was ruder too. Lot of ups and downs in my ways, few were disappeared in a blink of an eye. I had thousands, but now it's only 2 or few. But thanks for those who never left me. I got hurted, and too did hurt. You have smiled, but I did not. That day you called me, might be I ignored. A few days later, I remembered. Oh shit, they had called, that I missed, but not intentionally because I had a lot of workload. Having a lot of questions in my mind that what you have thought, and I called you back, but you answered my call at first thing first. When I heard hello, I just relaxed. Thanks for those who never avoided me. A lot of people who promised me to staying in my life forever and ever, even saying a goodbye, they left me. For whom I was waiting at the time of morning and supper, do you think they came back? No, never and never. But those even saying a word, even making a single promises, they always there for me and made me a special one. I thanks for those who keeping me secretly in their hearts. Lot of tragedies I have faced. That time a few friends that I had lost. Few were giving suggestions. Yeah, it's suggestions. But then I never wanted your suggestions but solutions. I only wanted is support and compassion. I thanks to those who hold my hand in my dark situations. I gave troubles, I too hurted. I told lies because I was afraid. I did lot of mistakes, but you did it not care. Even you said you that I'm not good, but I did do all bad. But without hearing their voice, you holded my hand. Thanks for those who understand me. I am a bit rude because I don't know talk cutely. When I became anger, I go alone and sit in room quietly. A lot of friends were talking that I have an ego terribly, but that moment a few were came and talked with me kindly. I wanna thanks for those very sweetly. This goes out to the ones that hug me on a bad day, call me on a horrible day, spend time with me to share a good day, and tell me how much I mean to them. This goes for those who are there for me, haven't left me, haven't given up on me. I thanks to those who still acknowledge me, and it involves people that have continued to stand by me through the good, bad, ugly, thick and thin, and even the worst of times when I don't personally looking at myself in the mirror or answering to myself. In this moment of time, I thanks to God, because without Him nothing is possible, and with Him all things are possible. Without a God, I would not be here today. This thanks to Him is for the fact that He keeps me alive and forgave me the strength. I continue to watch over me when others before me have abandoned me, including the ones I have loved that I have lost. Without a God, I will be nothing. I thanks to God who show love and protection and guidance on me. And finally, wanna say special thanks to you, to having a patience and to read my thank you letter. Thank you so much. By the grace of God, Sabiha Jannat.